the past, the internship program didn't necessarily have any partnerships within the community. It was more or less internships within the school. This year we wanted to kind of branch out and give the kids a real college and career readiness experience.
Valley Works Career Center, as part of the Lawrence Working Families Initiative, was asked to come in and support Lawrence High School with its new idea of having an internship program for some of its seniors. It became clear to our partners that the Career Center was in really a very good place to use our relationships that are already in place with businesses in the Lawrence community to then support this idea of adding young high school interns. We're down to about 12 very steady students who are working in a variety of settings in our community with both nonprofit businesses but also for-profit businesses.
The largest component is making sure you're accountable, your attendance, your professionalism at the workplace, your communication skills, soft skills. That's what we tried building in early on in the program. There was a 2-week orientation.
We did what we call a work-based learning plan workshop with them, where we talked about those areas that employers are looking for: punctuality, attendance, attitude, professional dress. What do you do if you're sick or if you have a transportation, calling, being responsible.
It could kind of either be something that they can want to jump into later on, and it can also be a reality to them and say, maybe this isn't the field I want. So I think it's just giving them the visibility to what the real world might have for them.
I'm the owner of Brushstroke Sign Design. We do all kinds of signs. We do awnings, banners, vehicle lettering, window lettering. I think it's great for the students because they can see in the real world how it works, how they can apply their skills. He helps me out up here too. It's great because sometimes I need a hand, and he's right there. He's focused, he's learning. I can tell that he's very eager to learn. It's hard to get a job nowadays, so when they're in the industry and they see it, I think it just makes them want to learn more.
Being here is providing her work experience, especially in an office setting. It is also an opportunity for her to learn more about city government and getting involved as well with customer service.
And you're enjoying the experience?
Yes, I am.
Elevated Thought, art and social justice nonprofit focused here in Lawrence. I'm fortunate enough to have this young lady, Celeste Cruz, as an Elevated Thought youth leader and intern. Right now she's back there getting a project ready for an exhibit we're having, exhibit/food drive in collaboration with Bread and Roses. You know, she's gearing up to start to help me plan for the fall and winter curriculums in our Creative Community Change program as well.
Northeast Legal Aid is a nonprofit organization that provides no-cost legal assistance to low-income and elderly people throughout northern Middlesex and Essex counties. It's been so easy having an LHS intern here, and it's actually been really helpful.
They've done some media assignments for me, for everything from finding relevant contracts, finding customer agreements, so they've been very helpful.
We are an organization that is committed to changing places and changing lives by improving places around Lawrence, such as improving our park system and committing to programming to develop healthy food systems, and we're also committed to education. We have a reputation for our big and large events, such as our Spigot River Cleanup, our Comcast Earth Day, and that there's a lot of work that goes behind that. Mariah was ready to go on day one, and when we think about what matters to groundwork, that's the groundwork way.
They taught me before I started anything, so they would go over everything with me so I know what to do. It feels like a real job. I have to get my transportation here and back home. I would recommend this program to others because I find it very interesting and fun.
For where we started, I feel like we've built a good foundation and something to build off of, and I think the numbers will only increase as the program continues to grow.